That QR code that you just scanned to pay for your parking, it didn't just open up a website, it just handed a hacker the keys to your entire digital life. While you were waiting to scan that menu at a restaurant, a cybercriminal was busy bypassing your company's multi-million-dollar firewall and draining your bank account. This is Quishing, the silent evolution of phishing that's currently exploding across the globe. According to Microsoft, in a 2026 threat report, attacks using these crooked codes have skyrocketed by about 146% in just the last few months. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how one scan can ruin your entire week, and the 3-second check that will keep you from becoming the next statistic. So what's actually happening here? Quishing is short for QR phishing. We've all been trained to look for typos in emails and weird-looking links, but QR codes are different. To your computer, and even to your own eyes, they really look just like an image. You can't hover over it with your mouse to see where it leads before you click on it. And cyber criminals, they love this because it creates a massive security blind spot. Most email filters are built to scan text, but they often struggle to read what's hidden inside an image. And according to Acronis, image-based attacks between 2021 and 2024 have surged almost 400% because they successfully bypass security tools that are usually there to protect your laptop. They aren't just hacking your phone, they're hacking your trust into something that looks convenient. But here's where it gets clever and dangerous. Scammers are now sending Quishing emails to your work inbox. It might say, scan this code to update your insurance, or secure your account by scanning here. When you pick up your personal phone and scan that code, you've just done the hacker's job for them. You've moved the attack off the company's highly protected network system and onto your personal device. And it probably doesn't have a corporate firewall. Once you scan, you're usually sent to a spoof site. It's a fake login page that looks identical to maybe Microsoft 365 or Amazon, or maybe even your bank. KeepNet Labs in 2026 notes that 90% of these attacks are designed to steal your credentials, while others might trick you into making fake payments or downloading malware to your personal device. But you don't have to stop scanning these QR codes, but you do need to stop being an easy target. And here's your Quishing defense. Look before you leap. Most smartphones will show a preview of the URL that it's going to take you to. Don't tap it until you've read the address. If you're expecting, yourbank.com, but you see secure-bank-login-77.net, it's probably a trap. Second thing you can do is the sticker test. In public places like restaurants or gas stations, you want to feel the QR code. Is it a sticker that's been pasted over the original? Usually the originals, they're either under a protective coating or they've been painted onto, or photocopied onto the piece of paper. Scammers will frequently slap malicious stickers over the legitimate ones. If it peels, definitely don't scan it. And delete scanner apps. You don't need them. Your phone's built-in camera is the safest way to scan. Third-party scanner apps are just often hidden and they have malware on them, and it's designed to track your data. And fourth thing you can do is use passkeys. Traditional SMS codes can be intercepted. Using passkeys or hardware keys makes it nearly impossible for Quishing site to steal your access. Look, convenience is a hacker's best friend. They are betting on the fact that you're in a rush. But if you take an extra 5 seconds to pause, it can save you months of identity theft nightmares. Research from KnowBe4 and NordVPN shows that 73% of people scan without even looking at the URL that you're going to be going into. You don't want to be part of that group. You want to stay skeptical, stay safe, and hit that subscribe button. Next time, we'll be diving into how AI is being used to fake voices of your family and friends, and how that can lead to a scam. You won't want to miss that one.